Hello students, me Dr. Deepa Chauhan. Today I will discuss with you the limit test for the sulfates. First I will discuss with you the principle of the limit test for the sulfates. In this test, opalescence or turbidity obtained by the reaction of the sulfate impurities with barium chloride is compared with standard opalescence or turbidity obtained by the reaction of known quantity of sulfate with barium chloride. Barium sulfate prepared in situ by precipitation from ethanolic potassium sulfate assisted rapid and complete precipitation by seeding. Now students, we will make the test solution preparation and the standard solution preparation for the sulfates. First we have to be prepared the sample solution A by dissolving 5 gram of the sample of 42 ml of the 1 molar NaOH and dilute this solution up to the 50 ml with water. This is known as sample solution A. This sample solution A is used in the preparation of the test solution. After making sample solution A, take Nestle cylinder and add 1 ml of 25% weight by volume solution of the barium chloride. After adding of the barium chloride to the Nestle cylinder, add 1.5 ml 10 ppm of the ethanolic sulfate standard solution. After addition of the barium chloride and ethanolic sulfate standard solution into the Nestle cylinder, add 7.5 ml sample solution A and 7.5 ml of the water. Now take the another Nestle cylinder and prepare the sulfate standard solution by the addition of 1 ml of a 25% weight by volume solution of the barium chloride. After adding of the barium chloride solution, add 1.5 ml 10 ppm of the ethanolic sulfate standard solution. After addition of the barium chloride and the ethanolic sulfate standard solution into the Nestle cylinder, add 15 ml 10 ppm sulfate standard solution into the Nestle cylinder. Now we will add the 5 molar acetic acid solution of the 1.5 ml of quantity to the each solution, that is test solution and the sample solution, and allow to stand for the 5 minutes. Compare opalescence of the two solution, that is test solution and the standard solution after 5 minutes, and the opalescence of the test solution should not be greater than that of the standard solution. Then the limit test passes. Now students, I will discuss with you how to prepare 10 parts per million ethanolic sulfate standard solution, 10 parts per million sulfate standard solution and 25% weight by volume barium chloride solution. 10 parts per million ethanolic sulfate standard solution is to be prepared by diluting 1 ml of a 0.181% weight by volume solution of potassium sulfate in ethanol 30% to 100 volumes with ethanol again 30%. 10 ppm sulfate standard solution is to be prepared by diluting 1 ml of 0.181% weight by volume solution of potassium sulfate with water to 100 ml. It contains 0.00001 gram sulfate per ml. 25% weight by volume barium chloride is to be prepared by diluting 25 gram of barium chloride in 100 ml of water. So student, this is all about of the limit test for the sulfates. In the next video, I will discuss with you the limit test of the lead and iron. For then, have a nice day.